The Italian word for a glass or cup from which one drinks is
bicchiere. Bicchiere. Ho fatto cadere il bicchiere e si è frantumato in 1000 pezzi.
I dropped the glass and it shattered into 1,000 pieces. In addition to describing the drinking container itself, it may also denote its contents, as in the following examples:
Un bicchiere di succo,
a glass of juice,
un bicchiere di birra.
a glass of beer. Note that if the preposition da is used instead of di, it is the purpose of the glass that's being described rather than its contents. For example,
Un bicchiere da vino,
is a wine glass, whereas
un bicchiere di vino.
is a glass of wine. If you use bicchiere on its own in expressions like
Andare a bere, uscire a bere.
to go out for a drink, it's implied that you're referring to an alcoholic drink of some sort, wine in particular.
Andiamo a bere un bicchiere stasera. Pago io.
Let's go have a drink tonight. It's on me. Don't be surprised if you see it in its short form,
Bicchiere.
particularly in front of the preposition di, meaning of, plus a kind of drink. For example, you can say
Un bicchiere d'acqua,
a glass of water instead of
un bicchiere d'acqua.
the diminutive form
Bicchierino,
means small glass, whereas
bicchierata.
means a drinking party.
Come bere un bicchiere d'acqua.
Literal translation, like drinking a glass of water. English meaning, to be a piece of cake, to be very easy.
Una tempesta in un bicchiere d'acqua.
Literal translation, a storm in a glass of water. English meaning, a great racket or quarrel for nothing.
Perdersi in un bicchiere d'acqua, affogare in un bicchiere d'acqua.
Literal translation, to lose oneself, to drown in a glass of water. English meaning, to get confused or worried when faced with minimal difficulties.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.